Now, as part of our hands-on exercise, we are going to create a DynamoDB table to store information about projects in a project management system. Let's say we are going to create a serverless application and we have three projects under it: backend development, web application development, and mobile app development. So we can add information about these three projects in our projects table. This table will have a primary key composed of a partition key and a sort key. Partition key will be a project ID and sort key would be a WBS ID. WBS is a work breakdown structure, and you can think of this as an activity within a project. So for example, backend development project will have activities or WBS elements like DynamoDB setup, microservices development, API development, quality testing, and so on. Similarly, web application development will have WBS elements like web app development, documentation, QA, testing, go live, post go live support, and so on. Each of these activities will have a SPOC or a single point of contact as well as a start and end date. So in the next lesson, we'll create this table using the AWS DynamoDB console.